So hey guys, welcome back to another Homemade Friday. This week we're actually taking part in a collaboration series called Frugal Family Foods. We've done some videos with them in the past and really a great community over there. If you're not familiar with what that is, it's a Facebook community started by Amanda from the Fundamental Homestead and Tangi from the Freedom Homestead. They've recently roped in Jenny from the Pratt Family Homestead. This group is really focused on finding great deals that are going on in the grocery store, finding fantastic recipes, pairing those things together and helping families put frugal and healthy meals on their plates. Every month they have a different series that's run, and every Friday comes a new video from a different creator. We're going to share a Whole30 recipe as we're kicking off the New Year's and healthy eating is on everyone's mind. And we're going to share sweet potato sliders, really a great appetizer to go along, especially as we approach the Super Bowl. So if you're not familiar with what Whole30 is, you remove legume, grains, dairy, and sugar from your diet, and after 30 days you slowly start introducing some of these things back into your diet. Really brings to the front if you have any little mild allergies. You suddenly start noticing some of these things, and it's a little bit easier to identify where those issues are. Whole30 can sometimes be a little difficult as you go to the store. If you're not on a Whole30 diet, you can definitely do this recipe. However, we're using whole compliant everything in this. We're building the mayo. We've built the ranch, which we'll share in this video, the guac we made. And if you have interest in the guac, we did a video on it in the past. I'll put a link to that. We've also shared how to make the mayo inside of another video. So I'll put a timestamp to bring you directly to that inside that video if you'd like to do that. If you're not really concerned about Whole30, you just want to try out this recipe, you can definitely do that as well. Just get your store-bought items, add your store-bought mayo and whatever else.